for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.